What's up, guys? The Angry Comic Collector here. Gonna do another video. I only got like one pack to show you today. I'm gonna open Sword and Shield base pack. Hopefully I get something good. I just got one pack, but got a couple new games I wanted to show you. So I got the Flintstones, the Treasure of Sierra Madrock. If you don't remember this one, this is a great couch co-op game. It's kind of like a dice rolling game. You roll the dice on the outboard screen, and then your characters move how many dice you roll, and then you play that level. So it's pretty cool. I like it. It's a two-player game. Great couch co-op game. Me and my cousins used to play this all the time. All the time. And another one I got, got the Maximum Carnage, got the red cartridge, because, you know, if you're not getting the red cartridge, that's then why are you getting this game, really? Not really, but it's a great nostalgic game. If you like Spider-Man and Venom and Carnage, so cool. All right, please pray. Hopefully we get like 2 hollows or like a ultra rare. I just really hope. Oh, well, that sucks. Did not want to do that. One, two, three, 4. All right, guys, you ready? We got the lightning energy right there. Electric energy. A lucky egg. A Mantine. You know, pretty cool art. Crushing Hammer. Okay. A Subble. A Marcactus. A Mudbray. A Ponard. A Score Money. And then the last 2, man. Last 2. Hopefully we get something good. Ooh, a Dreadnought Reverse Hollow. And a Cinderace Hollow. Nice. I do like Cinderace. It's great. Oh, I like that. He's doing a roundhouse kick to your face with that nice hollow shine. All right. I think for one of my next videos, probably gonna do another couple more packs, but thinking about getting, you know, this local store, trading card comic store that I go to. They have some fossil packs, you know, some 1999, 1996 fossil packs, you know, the vintage ones, unopened, for a reasonable price, so I might grab them and maybe do an opening of one of them. Let me know if you'd like that. Give me a comment, subscribe, like, yeah, and I might be getting a mystery box, so let me know if I should get a mystery box and open it up right here on this channel. So I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. We'll see you later. All right. Angry Comic Collector is out.